Now you can add color and sound to make this program more fun. Your robot is equipped with LED lights that can change color. How about setting a color when Sphero is moving? Go to the Lights and Sounds category and drag a main LED block as the first block in the loop. You can tap on the color wheel and select any color. I'll choose blue. You can also indicate stops with color as well, so add another main LED block after the roll command and make it a different color. I'll choose red.
You can also add programmable sounds. Sounds will play out of your device, not the robot, but you can use them like any other block. Add a sound block, making it the first block inside the loop. Select the Animal category and choose Random Animal toggle, so each one will be a surprise animal sound. You can change this to any category of sounds that you like, or to a single sound. Time to test it out. Make sure the volume is up on your device. Success! Color changes to indicate start and stop, and random animal sounds played on each side of the square. Great work! In this activity, you learned about moving the robot, programming lights, loops, and operators. Continue on to the next blocks activity to learn even more.